Okay, so welcome to Beijing on this beautiful Monday evening. I woke up this morning my lowest weight since high school, so I figured I need to celebrate with something, and I've been looking forward to eating out, just some basic noodles for a long time because restaurants have been closed. So I'm gonna have some oiled spilled noodles here just in the background. So let's see what we can find in here. Got some really nice stuff in here. You should Joe på mig igen ute. Okej, vad känner du? Okej, hachima? Okay, so we've ordered the noodles. 23 RMB, let's check it out. Yeah, so I don't normally eat that much, but I wanted to experiment and explore. I live in China after all, so I really want to try some different types of noodle dishes and local places. I'm gonna start with this one. Hope I'm not gonna be disappointed, so it's gonna be very interesting to see it when it comes out. Ooh, it's my dishes, yeah. Okay, I guess this ham is maybe not what I expected, but fun to try something. Okay, nice. Okay, so it's time to try it out. Really nice, quite cheap I think this ham, but it's always fun to try some different things. So let's give it a bite here and try it out. Dip a bit in the chili sauce. Spicy, nice. We'll have a bit of the pickles here. Definitely some chili. Pickles are great. I guess you're supposed to mix everything together. It's gonna look very messy, but nice to try the different ingredients first here. You get the bok choy, I think it's here. Healthy. Okay. Actually good. Yeah, let's mix it up, see how it's done. Kanske det här har hört köp. Wow, it smells great.
刚才吃没味儿啊。好。这就行。
Fantastic. Now I know how to do it next time. So let's try it out. Everything mixed together here. Wow. That is smelling amazing. Definitely the oily noodles. That is amazing. Definitely gonna get a lot of chili all over my plate. Ooh. Nice. Just so nice to wind down and relax after a long day in the office with some noodles. One of the finer things in life, but very easy. Sometimes easy is good. Yeah, even though this pork is very cheap, I'm sure it still tastes nice. Yeah, I think maybe I'll start a new series when I'm trying different noodles. I don't know what I'm gonna give this, maybe like 6 or 7 out of 10. I really like the oily part of it, but I would probably prefer beef or a bit more sort of unprocessed pork. But still, definitely gonna come out and try all the different ones. So if you want to see more of this, me kind of trying different things, let me know. It's not the healthiest for sure, but you know, once a week or something like that could be worth it. So I'm gonna explore now. So the restaurant's open, walk around, take you around. Let me know what kind of Chinese food you want me to try. And if you wanna see more of this, like, subscribe. See you in the next video.